Welcome back. So happy. I'm really hoping that this microphone works because I had to take it apart and solder the thing. But anyway, cool, it works. Okay, first off, look at my new swag. Maritime knife supply. Yep, found a new supplier. One of 3 that I use here in Canada. And this supplier, Maritime Knife Supply, so far has the most goodies. Like, he has a lot of goodies. Like, there's everything. Knife handles, steel, heat treating ovens, belts. Go have a look. Maritime Knife Supply. Hit a like on Facebook. Amazing service. Really friendly. I'm actually enjoying my swag. This t-shirt is extremely comfy and it's good quality too. But anyway, let's not get ahead of myself here. Today's episode, I saw one of our members on Forging It Forward post a knife stand, but like one of those magnetic ones where the knife floats in the middle, or it doesn't float, it just like stands up straight. So I went on YouTube and I was actually looking into building a knife stand for a chef's knife that I made for a customer. And I got a few ideas of, normal piece of wood like this with a knife standing like that or whatever. And this guy's knife popped up and I'm like, ooh, that'll look nice. So I went on YouTube, checked how it works, and lo and behold, it's just 2 magnets, bottom and the top, and the knife just kind of floats in between. So I'm gonna make that today with Purple Heart and some Wenge. Really dense woods. It's gonna last for a long time. I'll show you guys a nice close-up of the knife. It's one of my really, really nice Damascus kitchen knives. I want to apologize for being so scarce because I've been busy with a 6-piece kitchen knife Damascus set, and it's been taking all of my time. Yeah, let's build the stand out of scrap wood first because I want to experiment first, and then we'll use the more expensive stuff for the final product. Let's get it done. So it's pretty much friction fit right now, but let's see. Woo! Okay, quickly. Take a mark. Center. Cool. Okay. Here's a magnet, made in Voyage. Okay, let's see. Ooh. Whoa! Just look at that. Okay, that's insane. I love it. And you take it out, and you go cut stuff, and then rinse it off, and then, oh my word, game changer. And it just pulls itself in, like, that's awesome. Alrighty, there's the base, Purple Heart, and then the stand thingy. So I drilled pilot holes right there and there. So my idea is put that on there and then magnet down here. But so first thing is when you put it up, this shows you where your middle is down bottom. So I'll have to fix this one at the top first, because I'm not gonna just use this, I'm gonna use that. Nicely shined up piece of purple hearts. I need to put this in here, cut some of this. Yeah, I'll do something. Okay, and I'll show you a nice trick that I did on this one. I'll do it on this one. This one has been buffed up just with a buffer, but I don't know if you can see the difference in the grain. So I throw this on the wire wheel and it takes out all the soft pieces in between the wood grain. But never ever do it sideways on your wire wheel, always do it with your grain, otherwise it makes scratch marks, ugly scratch marks. So I'm going to do the same with this one. I'll show you. Buff this up and then I'll coat it with some semi-gloss. It's gonna look insane. Great. Look at how nice that is. Purple heart. Now, still some compound stuck in the grooves here. I'll wipe that out. But I am gonna put some semi-gloss on this, just to seal the wood, and it's just gonna pop. You can do the same for the base. I'll do that right now and then I'll start assembling. Pilot hole there, and then I need to join these up. So I drilled a pilot hole there. Those are even. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll throw epoxy in here. I'll take one of these screws, cut it or put it in, turn it in, take the other side, turn it in just so it cuts the thread, cut that off, take a pair of pliers, turn it in with some epoxy, and then the other end will be pretty much open, and then turn it in there. This wenge, I'm going to show you guys now. It's pretty much sanded. I'm going to do wire wheel, so all the light grain in between will pretty much be taken out by the wire brush, and then I'll put it on the buffer and it's going to go nice and dark. But yeah, look at this. Okay, I am done on the wire wheel. Focus. Come on. I don't know if you can see, but the grain has been wired out pretty much. Now comes the magic. Well, there's been some developments. I knew that was gonna happen, and the worst part is these pilot holes were meant to not make that happen. But the cool thing is it made it better, because look at that now. And look how all this turned out. Look at the finish on it. It looks like timbering or cribbing underground. That looks incredible. Here comes the best part. Ta-da! That looks insane. Can't wait to assemble this thing. Okay, but yeah, look at this finish. This is incredible. That's what you get when you take the soft fibers out of the wood and then buff it up. Old wormholes. Look at that. That looks incredible. Oh, I'm an idiot. I'll fix that. Not a problem. Let's get this in there more. Okay, so we have just a slight issue here. It's not too bad of a problem, but the street lamp is overshooting the base. So I need to shorten that to here somewhere. I'll cut that off and do that. Sets and then put the knife in. Twenty after 1 in the morning, and I just got done with this witchcraft. There's the blade. How cool is that? Purple heart handle, wingay up here, and then purple heart again. So take your knife, chop stuff, clean it up. It just snaps back into place.